Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Langley Park local and long-distance movers near me. You will need professional help for crossing the countries, as it's a little difficult to move at your own to a new place. Finding a safe and trusted moving company in an unknown area can be the most challenging task. As most often, people have a fear of getting trapped by some fraudulent and illegal company. We at 3 Movers offer step-by-step moving services, starting from packing your goods carefully to loading and delivering them carefully at your doorstep. We take full responsibility for your goods and have a compensation policy if you receive damaged or broken goods. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Langley Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.